Should I close the door? Or yeah, I close the door. I'm like okay, so first of all, I just want to say it's fine that you are dealing with something big or like really high pressure, because what I'm going to say to you is not easy, which is I'm gonna spill out the truth about life. Okay, so Assalamualaikum semua, nama saya Ira Zohari. If you're new, I'm always gonna help you to be more friendly, more softer to your life. I understand that the life pressure is always high because the pressure is like macam asyik kejar kita je, macam pressure tak habis datang. Just joking. But yeah. So that's what I'm gonna share to you for today. So apa-apa pun, I just want to say good morning. But if you are watching this like afternoon or night, I just want to say great day. Okay, so I'm gonna start through the point. Seriously. Okay. So kadang kita bukan penat. Sebenarnya kita dalam keadaan stres. So bila kita dalam stres, tenaga kita akan macam like dropping. Macam macam bateri yang dah lama berkurun, bateri laptop ke, bateri handphone ke, yang macam dah berzaman-zaman lamanya. So tiba-tiba dia hilang macam tu je. Yeah, that's our battery. Means like semua orang ada battery bila dia bangun. So bila kita punya battery drop macam tu, and kita akan rasa sangat-sangat letih. Kita penat sebab tekanan hidup kita yang tak berhenti. Daripada kerja, daripada family, expectation orang yang membuatkan kita rasa macam I need to perform every single day, which is you sebenarnya dalam keadaan penat, you perlukan rehat. I understand that. Indirectly, body kita kan pun masuk dalam mode ready untuk fighting. So, the first step that you can do is slow your breathing. Tarik nafas 4 saat, tahan 4 saat, lepaskan 8 saat. So, bila kita bagi pernafasan yang slow, kita bagi signal dekat body kita untuk slow juga. Means kita tak perlu dalam keadaan fight mode. Lepas tu, gerakkan badan dalam keadaan yang perlahan. Perlahan. Means like you walk slowly, softly. Let yourself be slow. Remember, hidup kita ni takkan pernah habis pressure. Tapi kita boleh slowkan badan kita dulu, and kita boleh masuk dalam mode relax. So that, kenapa? Bila kita dalam keadaan relax, bila kita dekat dalam keadaan relax, pressure kita turun. Okay, pressure kita turun, and kita punya calm state akan naik. That's how it works. Kalau you tak boleh macam, you dalam keadaan macam, you not relax, it's not going to be work. It's just get worsen. So first, enjoy yourself. I mean like relax. Okay. So kalau kata you perlu baring, you just baring. Go and breathing. Means like kalau you got ke office, you nak keluar and get the sunlight, get the fresh air, something like that, then go for it. I'm here, I'm your friend. You can drop the comment that I want to be relaxed, I want to be safe. You can comment down below. So maybe kita boleh share from there what is the solution that you want to find. InsyaAllah Allah akan bagi, Allah akan buka jalan if you want to solve your situation. Maybe not to solve your solution, maybe not to get the solution. Maybe not to get the solution, tapi you boleh dapat the relaxed state, so that when your brain boleh berfikir secara rational, insyaAllah. So if you like this kind of video, which I'm gonna be so friend to you, so much relaxing, if you like this kind of vibe, you can subscribe, likes and comment. Kita boleh get into each other. Kita boleh friend talk. Okay, so thanks for today. That's all. Bye. Assalamualaikum.